So I started putting all Winnie's shit down that one hole over there. Hopefully it clogs it up.
For real?
Yeah. Do you think it's gonna do anything? Do you think it's gonna do anything?
I fucking
Will it deter all the animals from going in there, do you
I'll
think?
dig right through it.
Ew. I can't wait to watch this. This is a milk that's about to explode. Anyway, it's been outside for like a week. Winnie, it's been outside for like weeks, basically.
Should I shoot the... No, I need to shoot the bottom. Dude, I think it might have so much compression that this won't be able to go through.
Who knows?
Let me get a little closer. Did you just see the smoke come off of that? This isn't the adult one. This is the kid Red Ryder version.
Okay.
Dude, I have a feeling it's gonna fucking get all over my hoodie. My God. You see it? Those shorts are out here.
Oh no.
Dude, it's like barely going through. Hold on, let me get my pellet gun.
Got the big boy for it.
Oh shoot, oops. This baby will definitely go through.
Okay.
0.177. Oh my God, how did it just... Ah, it's too wet. That definitely hit. Hold on, let me do it one more time. I might have hit too high. This baby starts smoking. Yeah, that definitely hit. It's leaking a bunch, but it lost all of its compression. Damn it, I should have shot it with this first. Well, it's boring now, cause I already hit it a bunch of times, it's just leaking. Still recording?
Yeah.
La la. I'll try again to aim for the white dot. Alright, I think that might have hit.